So today I'm installing the Green Hinge system and installing these nylon garage door rollers because my garage sounds like crap when it opens and closes. So we're gonna install these and see if that improves the quality of the garage opening and closing. Here's the difference between the two. This one is the original. It's kind of hard, a hard plasticky material. This one is softer, or at least quieter. So even just that change. And this guy has a spring, it's spring loaded here to help hold it in place. So there you go. That's the difference between these two.